Hello, everyone. My name is Daryl Kagan. I'm one of the product training coordinators at Wellness Living. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the process involved in adding or editing a staff member and its redesign to make it more visually appealing and user-friendly. The first thing to take note of on the Add a Staff Member screen is the Allow Staff Member to Sign In toggle will default to on. After the staff's initial information has been entered and saved, we will see our redesign screen where we can input additional information using the tabs on the left side, such as General, Services, Working Hours, Pay Rates, and Notifications. Regardless of the tab that we are on, we will be able to deactivate staff using the toggle on the top right. Within the General tab, we will see all the pertinent information as well as two toggles at the very bottom of the screen. If the employee is currently employed, then we would leave that to on. And we also have a display on directory, which will, of course, show the staff member on the Wellness Living directory. We also have a new redesign of our custom fields, where when selected, we have a choice to add a checkbox, drop-down, radio, or text. Within the Services tab, we can select which services a staff member can complete within a specific business. In the Working Hours tab, please note it has been redesigned and looks great. Here we can add available or unavailable time, just like before, and is now a toggle whether to display past dates or not. By default, it will be set to on. Pay Rates has also been redesigned, making it simple and easy to add and edit staff members' pay rates. And lastly, Notifications. This is where we can choose to override default notification settings and make custom selections as we see fit.